Nyarari cia Thika Queens maracokereirie muthako-ini makiuma thutha na ngoru igiri na kuiganania maundu gatagati kao na Gospel Women thiini wa ngucanio imwe gatagati ya inya iria irathakirwo muthi wa ira. Muthaki Winnie Kanyotu nĩ ũrakunĩkire ngoru cia Gospel gĩbindi-inĩ kĩa mbere ndagĩka-inĩ cia 19 na 43. Nake muthaki Foza Omar araiganania moimirira gĩbindi-inĩ gĩake thĩinĩ wa ndagĩka ya 49 na 57.
Our targets this season is definitely to win the Premier League, but then it is not easy. It is very tough. We have very tough competition. As you can see, Thika is number 3. Still, they are aiming for it. They are not very far from it. So if we slip up, ikitu itaenda.
Timu zote zina wachezaji wazuri, kwa hivyo sioni ati wamecheza vibaya, wamejaribu.
Game first half imekuwa fiti, imekuwa side yetu. Tumeweza kufunga bao za mapema zimetusaidia. But opponent wamekaa na strategy nyingine ya second half, wametafuta bao za haraka ikakuwa tutu. Target yetu bado na expectations zetu bado ziko high. Bado tuko kwa race, bado tunapigania bado game kama 4.
Vihiga Queens na okiharuni ya University of Eldoret marakunika Eldoret Falcons na nguruinya hatari macokio na gukindira utongoria wao murugamo-ini wa metha mena pointi 61. Ngoru ici irabungirwo ni athaki Maslin Oginga, Topista Stuma agibunga 2 na Teresa Egesha. Kuginyarari cia Mathare murimire draw ya ngoru 1-1 magithaka na Zitex Parks na Kisumu All Stars makiandikithia utani munene wa weekend iyo magikaranga Usirian Ladies na ngoru 7-3. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.